Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible iPhone and a writable NFC tag. Once confirmed, open your NFC app and choose a new tag. Start by selecting the tag type. NTag 213 or NTag 215 is common, and load the content format, URL or vCard. You should type the exact link or contact fields. Make sure fields like phone and email are correct. Then, position the tag near the top back of your iPhone when prompted to write. This begins the actual write sequence with immediate feedback. Once the app is ready, choose vCard to embed full contact data because that gives recipients one-tap save. Alternatively, pick a URL if you want analytics. Enter fields carefully: name, title, phone, email, and website, then preview. Make sure the tag format and memory size match your data. Long notes may require a larger tag. When you tap write, hold the tag steady at the top back of your iPhone until the app confirms success. If you plan tracking, add UTM parameters before writing. After writing, immediately test the tag on 2 different phones to confirm behavior, one iPhone and one Android if possible, since read behavior can vary. Once satisfied, you can lock the tag to prevent rewriting, but note locking is permanent. If the tag doesn't respond, first ensure NFC is enabled on the reader phone and the tag is not damaged. Then retry writing from a different app or a fresh tag. If problems persist, replace the tag with a new NTag series card and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.